Good morning, everybody. It is 7:30 here in Texas. We're actually going to be heading over to the vending machine. We got to pull out all of our cash and restock because it is the end of the month of October. So we're going to pull everything out, stock everything back up, prepared for the month of November. And I got to stop by Walmart, unfortunately, because I need to get some Gatorades. But we're going to try to get there earlier this morning. We have beautiful clouds in the sky, and I just feel like it's going to be a great week. So sit back, relax, get you a snack, and let's have some fun.
Interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Hey guys, first I wanted to say thank you for the 300 plus subscribers that we've hit on this channel. It's awesome seeing all the new viewers and the love being shown in the comments with all the content that we've been coming out with. Second, I want to apologize for getting this content out to you so late. It's been a crazy 2 months. The end of October, we suited up as a firefighter in Dallas, Texas, where we shot some content for National Foam, and so we're going to be coming out with some educational videos for them at the end of the year. And the beginning of November, we had to drive about an hour from where I live to film a wedding for 2 friends of mine, and let's just say it was a lot different from what I'm used to because it was raining, unfortunately, but we were able to get all of our shots. So currently, right now, we're working on 2 videos, one for National Foam. Again, the video doesn't have to be finished until the end of the year, but we should be wrapped up with it before Christmas. And then I'm currently working on my wedding video for the 2 friends of mine. So that being said, thank you again for all the love and support with the content I've been coming out for you guys. It means the world to me. And also wanted to let you know that we have crushed it with our sales with our combination vending machine. Last month in October, we made this much money. Holy crap. And this is just with our card sales. I'm not even going to tell you what our cash sales were, but it was a stack. So it is November 30th. We will be jumping to our combo vending machine tomorrow morning, stocking it back up, pulling our money out from what it has made for the month of November. And of course, I'll make an updated video for you guys. So if you like the content that you're seeing, definitely hit this like button on the video to help us with the video algorithm, and subscribe with the bell on for future notifications. And if you see this body behind me, it's not a dead body. That's just Boss being lazy. Anyways, guys, I will see you later. Thank you again for sticking around. Peace.